As the sun rises on a brand new week, the atmosphere is already shifting, hinting at changes ahead. A powerful new storm system is sweeping across the United States, promising to bring dramatic weather to millions. The weekend storm is finally moving out, leaving behind a brief window of calm. But don't get too comfortable. Another, even stronger system is right on its heels, ready to make its presence known. This new storm will bring a mix of heavy rain, accumulating snow, and powerful winds, along with a sharp drop in temperatures that will be felt across several states. The jet stream is dipping far to the south, pulling down cold air from Canada and injecting extra energy into the system, setting the stage for widespread impacts. The system will first make landfall in the Pacific Northwest. Washington and Oregon will be the first to feel its effects, with rain and wind arriving early. From there, it races eastward, spreading rapidly across the plains, sweeping over the Great Lakes, and eventually reaching the East Coast by mid-week. This is a large, well-organized storm system, stretching from coast to coast and affecting millions of people in its path. Weather alerts are already being issued across multiple regions. Monday might start off feeling mild and deceptively calm in many places, but by the middle of the week, winter-like conditions will arrive for a large part of the country, catching some off guard. Cold air will surge southward, and strong gusty winds could cause travel disruptions, power outages, and hazardous conditions on the roads. It's important to stay alert to daily forecasts and weather updates. Conditions will change quickly, and new warnings may be issued with little notice. The brief calm after the weekend storm won't last long. This new system is packed with moisture and energy, ready to unleash another round of active weather. We'll break down the timeline for you: who can expect rain, who will see snow, and when the worst of the weather will hit your area. We'll also show you where the winds will be strongest and which regions should prepare for the highest risk of damaging gusts. Knowing what's coming helps you prepare and stay safe. Now is the time to check your emergency kits, review your plans, and make sure you're ready for whatever this storm brings. This is shaping up to be a major fall weather event. Don't be caught off guard by the sudden changes. Let's walk through what to expect as this powerful storm moves through, so you can plan ahead and stay informed. Get ready for a dramatic shift in weather this week. Stay tuned for the latest updates and be prepared for whatever comes your way. The jet stream is the engine behind this storm, acting as a powerful force that shapes our weather in ways we often don't realize. Picture it as a fast-moving river of air, thousands of miles long, high above the surface, steering weather systems across the globe, and influencing everything from temperature to wind. Right now, a strong dip in the jet stream is pushing cold air and energy from the vast Pacific Ocean straight into the heart of the U.S., setting the stage for dramatic weather changes. This dip, known as a trough, acts like a giant scoop, pulling frigid air southward and powering up the storm with extra energy. The system slams into Washington and Oregon first, unleashing heavy rain and strong winds before racing quickly eastward. The jet stream's energy creates areas of low pressure at the surface. These are the fuel that storms need to grow and intensify. As the storm moves inland, it drags cold air and fierce winds across the Rockies and the plains, bringing a sudden shift in weather for millions. The jet stream's winding path acts like a highway, guiding the storm from the northwest, through the Midwest, and all the way toward the northeast. Because the jet stream is so strong and focused, this storm will move fast, hitting hard and leaving little time to prepare. Gusty winds will mix down to the ground, making for blustery, unsettled conditions that can be felt from city streets to open fields. This pattern is a classic sign of the changing seasons. Fall's arrival is unmistakable as leaves swirl and temperatures drop. The deep dip in the jet stream means a big temperature drop is coming, so get ready to bundle up as chilly air sweeps in. Meteorologists closely watch the jet stream's path to predict where the worst weather will hit next, helping communities prepare for what's ahead. By mid-week, the storm will reach the northeast, bringing a blast of wind and cold that will be hard to ignore. The jet stream is the key to understanding this week's wild weather, unlocking the reasons behind the rapid changes we're seeing. Stay tuned as we track the jet stream's powerful push across the country, revealing how this invisible force shapes the weather we experience every day. The Pacific Northwest is first in line for this storm. Late Sunday into Monday, expect steady rain in cities like Seattle and Portland. With already saturated ground, more rain could mean local flooding. In the mountains, colder air turns rain to heavy snow, especially in the Cascades and Rockies. This could be the first big snowfall of the season for some mountain passes. Travel through these areas may be hazardous. Check conditions before heading out. Most rain and snow falls Monday, then shifts east by evening. Idaho, Montana, and Wyoming will see snow continue into Monday night. This early snow is a reminder that winter is near in the high country. After the storm, winds pick up and temperatures drop sharply. Even as skies clear, it'll feel much colder than before. Bundle up. Tuesday morning will be brisk in the northwest. The cold air behind the storm is just beginning to spread. This storm is a major wind event. Winds start Sunday night in the northwest, with gusts up to 60 mph in the mountains. As the storm moves east, strong winds spread across the high plains, Montana, Wyoming, the Dakotas, and Nebraska. Gusts of 30 to 55 mph could down trees and make driving dangerous. Wind chills will make it feel even colder than the thermometer shows. By Tuesday, gusty winds reach the Midwest and Ohio Valley, possibly causing power outages. The Great Lakes and Northeast get their turn mid-week, before winds finally ease by Thursday. Secure outdoor items and prepare for several days of blustery weather. Millions will feel the impact of these strong, persistent winds. Stay safe and be ready for sudden changes. A surge of cold Canadian air follows the storm. Temperatures will drop 10 to 20 degrees below normal, starting in the northwest and spreading east. Monday and Tuesday bring freezing mornings to Idaho, Montana, and Wyoming. By Thursday, the chill reaches the Mississippi Valley and East Coast. Highs drop to the 50s or 60s. Many will see their coldest temperatures of the season so far. This isn't a quick cold snap. The chill will linger for days. Jackets, sweaters, and gloves will be needed across much of the country. The sharp temperature drop signals autumn's end and winter's approach. Prepare for a true taste of winter as October wraps up. Let's break down Monday and Tuesday's temperature swings. Monday. The east enjoys mild 50s and 60s, even warmer in the south. The upper Midwest also stays mild, but the northwest turns sharply colder. By Tuesday morning, freezing lows hit Montana, Wyoming, and the Dakotas, ending the growing season. The Mississippi Valley has one last mild morning before the cold arrives. Tuesday. The storm races east, cold air rushes in, and strong winds make it feel even colder. Highs in the northern plains struggle to reach the 40s. The Ohio Valley and South get one more warm day before the front passes. The sharp temperature contrast fuels the week's strong winds. By Tuesday night, the cold front sweeps through the Midwest, bringing rain and a rapid cool down. Wednesday morning, much of the nation wakes up to winter-like conditions. The transition from fall to winter will be fast and dramatic. Millions will feel the change almost overnight. Wednesday morning arrives with a widespread chill. Temperatures in the 30s and 40s stretch all the way from the Rockies to the northeast, making it one of the coldest starts to the day so far this season. The air feels crisp and biting, and you'll notice your breath hanging in the air as you step outside. Cities like Chicago, Indianapolis, and Detroit will wake up to their coldest morning yet, with frost shimmering on rooftops and people bundled up in scarves and hats as they head out for work or school. By afternoon, highs only reach the 50s in the upper Midwest and interior Northeast, about 10 degrees below what's typical for this time of year. The chill lingers, and even the sun struggles to warm things up. Even the South isn't spared from the cool down, with highs in the 60s reaching as far as northern Mississippi and Alabama. Folks there will need light jackets and sweaters, a rare sight for this region in early fall. By Thursday, the cold air mass is spread across the entire East Coast. Boston to D.C. starts the day in the upper 30s and low 40s, with frost on lawns and windshields. The cold air mass dominates the region, leaving no escape from the wintry feel. Winds pick up, making it feel even colder, and people hurry along the streets eager to get indoors. Make sure your heating is ready. This chill isn't just a brief visit. Many will be turning on their furnaces or space heaters for the first time this season to keep the cold at bay. Thursday's highs remain well below average, with many places stuck in the 50s and 60s. Outdoor activities will have a brisk autumn feel, and you'll want to keep those layers handy. The air is noticeably drier and much cooler than earlier in the week, with a crispness that signals the true arrival of fall. Leaves rustle in the breeze, and the sky is a clear, deep blue. Even with plenty of sunshine, the bite of cold will be unmistakable. The sun may be out, but you'll still need a warm coat to stay comfortable. This below-normal temperature pattern is set to last through the week's end, bringing repeated chilly mornings and brisk afternoons. So, get used to the colder weather. It's here to stay for now, and it's time to embrace the cozy side of autumn as the persistent chill settles in. Let's recap this dramatic weather shift. A powerful new storm, driven by a deep jet stream dip, replaces the weekend system. Rain and mountain snow hit the northwest, then strong winds sweep east. Gusts up to 55 mph cause damage and power outages from the plains to the northeast. Behind the wind and rain, a mass of cold Canadian air plunges south. By midweek, temperatures are 5 to 15 degrees below normal for the eastern half of the country. Many see their coldest air of the season. Highs feel more like November than October. The headlines: strong winds, a major temperature drop, and a fast dramatic change. Be prepared and stay alert as this powerful pattern unfolds. With strong winds and cold weather coming, preparation is key. Secure outdoor items, patio furniture, grills, and trash cans to prevent wind damage. Check for dead tree branches that could fall in high winds. Avoid driving in strong winds if possible. If you must, go slow and stay alert for debris. Dress in layers to stay warm. Hats and gloves help retain body heat. Keep pets indoors or provide them with warm shelter. Prepare for possible power outages. Have flashlights, batteries, and a portable radio ready. Stock up on non-perishable food and water. Charge your cell phone before the storm hits. Keep blankets and warm clothes accessible. A little preparation goes a long way in staying safe and comfortable. Monitor weather updates and follow local advice. Stay safe as this powerful storm moves through your area.